Orange Tofu. Namaste, I am Mini and welcome to my channel Foodotomic. Today we are making an orange tofu vegan recipe. It's full of flavors and so easy to prepare. If you are new here, I make easy vegan recipes with step-by-step instructions, and if you would like to see more of these videos, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get notified every single time a new vegan recipe is out. Let's get started. This is around 500 grams of tofu. We are going to use only 250 grams for this recipe. Slice the tofu in small sized pieces. I'm using firm tofu for this recipe. Add all the tofu pieces to a bowl. Then add 3 tablespoons of cornstarch powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix everything with the tofu gently without breaking them. Now it's time to fry the tofu. To a pan, add 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil. Make sure that the oil is even across the pan. Once the oil is hot, add the tofu pieces to it and keep the heat to medium. We have to cook the tofu pieces from every side, so turn the pieces individually. It took me around 10 minutes to cook the tofu to crisp. Tofu pieces are so crisp and you may even serve this as a snack. They can be served as a perfect snacks while binge watching your favorite series. Transfer the tofu pieces to another bowl. Now to the same pan, add 1 more tablespoon of oil. Add 3 to 4 grated garlic cloves and cook the garlic for 2 to 3 minutes over medium or low heat. My kitchen is currently filled with the aroma of garlic. Garlic doesn't take much long to cook, so make sure it doesn't burn. Then add 1 sliced red chili to the pan. Cook it for 1 minute. Add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste to the pan and make sure that the heat is set to low. Cook it for 1 more minute. Add 400 ml of orange juice. I have made the orange juice with fresh oranges. Mix everything. Add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar or just vinegar. Add 2 tablespoons of vegan sugar and mix everything. Already it smells great. Let the mixture cook for 8 to 10 minutes over low heat. Meanwhile, we'll make the cornstarch slurry. To a bowl, add 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. Add double the amount of water. Use cold water, never use hot water. So in this case, 6 tablespoons of water. Mix it well. When you see the mixture starts to boil, add the cornstarch slurry slowly to the pan. Ensure that the heat is set to low and keep mixing it. You will notice that the mixture will get thicker and thicker. Adding the remaining cornstarch slurry. I have swirled some water in the cornstarch bowl, adding it to the pan. You can adjust the thickness as per your choice, and the longer you cook the gravy, the thicker it will get. Once you see the boil, add 2 teaspoons of salt or salt as per taste. 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Mix it well. Now add the tofu pieces to the pan and give it a mix. The crispy orange tofu is ready. It's perfect this way, but I will like to garnish it with some coriander leaves. See how easy it is to make this recipe? The fresh orange juice works as a perfect sauce base for this recipe, and the crispy tofu pieces are perfect addition to it. Switch off the heat and you can serve them as a starter or even with some naan, chapati or steamed rice. I'm topping it up with some sesame seed, but they are optional. This is one of the easiest recipes you can make at home, and trust me, you won't go wrong with it if you follow these step-by-step instructions. So, if you like today's recipe, do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Foodotomic for similar vegan recipes. If you're still looking for more vegan videos, check them out right here. I'll be back soon with another interesting vegan video. Until then, bye.